everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an interaction interface. Let's take a look. First, create a blueprint interface. Then we open it and add a new function. I made this function interact, but you can name it whatever you want. We don't add any input or output variables. For this interaction system, we don't need them for now. Next, open your character or player controller. I will be using the player controller. For that, we need to create an input action. This will be triggered when we press the E key. This input will handle our interaction. Let's continue where we left off. Now I call the input action we created earlier. This node sends a line trace in the direction we specify. It returns its reference from that trace. Using this, we can trigger interaction with the object we hit. For the start value, I use the camera's location. For the end value, I use the camera's forward direction multiplied by 170. Let's check if the trace is working. Yeah, it's working perfectly. I add a branch to check whether the trace hit something. I break the out hit here. This gives me detailed information about the object we hit. This node checks if the hit object implements our interface. If this returns true, we call the interface on the hit object. Now, for testing, I create a blueprint actor. If you already have a blueprint actor, like a door or a light switch, you can apply the same steps to those as well. Now we click on class settings. In the interfaces section, we add an implement interface. Of course, we select the one we created earlier, called interaction interface. From the bottom left panel, double click the function to bring it into the event graph. I'm using a pre-string for testing. You can replace it with your own luggage. As you can see, it works when we hit the cube. From here, how you expand this system completely up to your imagination. And yeah, that's basically it. It's very simple and straightforward. If you enjoy fast and educational Unreal Engine content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay strong.